Hi YouTube friends and family, so I'm here at Dollar Tree and I came to pick up these wall tiles because we are going to do a DIY for my sister-in-law who just bought a house. We're going to do her kitchen backsplash. Dollar Tree has some really nice tiles. I bought 15 of them when I came about a week ago. I just came now to buy 5 more, but they don't have any more of the ones that I got for her, so I'm gonna look around to see if I find them, but I'm about to show you the new Dollar Tree backsplash. These are really good deals for $1. I bought the white ones for my kitchen. I'll show you how that turned out, but definitely check out your Dollar Tree for these. So they have these self-adhesive wall tile. This is in a chocolate brown. They had a whole bunch the last time I came, and then they have these, the white ones, almost all out of them, and they don't have any of the ones that I picked up for her. These tiles are in the painting section right next to it. I'm gonna look around to see if I find any. I'm really bummed, but it's okay. I hope the 15 that we got, we're able to do her backsplash with that. I'm going to look around the store to see if I find any more because so far no luck. But we're gonna see, maybe they put them in another section or something, so wish me luck. I thought that maybe they would be over here in this section because they have these backsplash, and these are like stickers for $1. They have different kinds, but the backsplash that I'm looking for are not over here, so we're gonna just have to work with what we got and hopefully it is enough. So this is the one that I got from Dollar Tree for her. So this is very easy to put. All you're going to do is take it out of the pack, and then it's going to come with a little sticker right there that says peel off this angle. He got donuts! And then just paste it on the wall. These are the white tiles that I got for myself, and we are about to put these on the other side of the wall that I'm about to show you now. And I'll also show you the side that I have already completed with these. So I would definitely recommend you guys to check these out if you have them at your local Dollar Tree because they are amazing for $1. So this is what this side looks like. I didn't record this side, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to take this off here. And that picture frame there helps out with some unevenness that occurred at the top, but that tends to kind of cover that. And then there are some other areas, like for example, I cut it wrong, and then you can kind of tell right here, but this helps cover that area. But you definitely want to take your time so you can cut out just everything about right, because this is like a plastic 3D tile. But for $1, I think that it looks amazing. So this is the side that we are about to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it all the way back there because I may not have enough for back there, but I do want to just do this strip here. I don't think I'm going to do that down there, but if I have any extras, I might just do that. These are very simple to put on. All you have to do is remove them from the pack Then it has this plastic cover on the back and this little sticker that says peel off from this angle, and all you would do is start peeling it off so you can get the sticky part, and then all you have to do is just paste it wherever you'd like. So it's a very simple 1, 2, 3 thing. So now we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Sometimes they're not going to align the way you like them to, but as long as you get it even as much as you can, you should be fine. So for this area where we have one of these, I'm going to remove the plastic from the back, and then I'm just going to go ahead and line it up, and I'm going to put it right on top of that, and it'll kind of give me the mark of where I need to cut this out. I'm going to go ahead and show you now what I'm going to do. It definitely would help if you move anything that you have in the front. Alright guys, so I ran out of the white tile and I went back to Dollar Tree and they didn't have any more. So instead we went back today and I grabbed these chocolate color. We're going to go ahead and add this on the back, and then we're going to finish filling up the line there, this line over here as well. We're going to paint these white. We're gonna see how that's gonna turn out. We might have to paint everything white, but I'm okay with that. So let's see how it turns out. Okay guys, so back there is the brown tiles that I painted white. Honestly, you cannot tell that they were once brown unless you look in really closely and try to find something, but for the most part they came out looking amazing and I am very happy with the results. And I had to paint the brown tile white in order to tie everything nicely. I'm actually very happy with the matte finish that the paint gave the plastic tiles. I believe everything looks really good. But let me know what you guys think of this Dollar Tree DIY in the comment section down below. the end of the day. It is dark outside. I started this project early in the morning, but because of the incomplete tiles, we had to go and find some more. But I am very happy with the way everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this Dollar Tree Backsplash DIY. I think it looks amazing. Also, if you would like to see future DIYs, please subscribe. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed the Dollar Tree DIY Backsplash. Don't forget to check out your Dollar Tree to see if you have any of these tile backsplash. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed night or day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.